me, KristinCena. Welcome to my channel, and also welcome to another episode of Mask with Cena. It's 10:30 in the evening, guys, and I try to be as energetic as possible, even though I am tired, and as you can see, my eyes is a little bit red. But I decided to film this video about Cosrx Original Clear Kit. I think this is about $7 at nudyglow.com here in Australia. I'm not sure, just check out your usual Korean website or your store if how much this is. So basically this has 3 steps, 1, 2, 3. But I know they call it one step because what they meant with the one step is to really have that clear skin, not really the steps and how you do the clear skin. Does that make sense? So I'm gonna be trying this on tonight, and also in the morning we'll see if something happens. They actually have the pimple clear kit where I should have just gotten that one. Without further ado, let's try to use this one if it's really gonna be worth your money, because I know you're watching this video to really see if this is worth it. So the first step is this low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser. It's purifying botanical ingredients. This has low pH formula, works to soothe, refresh, and soften the skin without stripping feeling. Great for morning wash, but who cares? I'm gonna use it tonight. So here is the cleanser, guys. It is clear and it's a gel cleanser. So let me just make a lather. It smells like a tea tree to me. Okay. I don't wipe my face off after washing with a towel. If I do, to be like a tissue or something. It's not environmentally friendly, but yeah, that's what I do. Or most of the time I just let it dry by itself and kind of tap the rest of the water in. So far, guys, while I was using the cleanser, it was actually not, I did not feel anything at all. It's so gentle and as no fragrance, and my skin feels so smooth right now. I don't know what to feel if it's smooth, because it feels like if it's so smooth then it must have really stripped off the natural oils on your skin. But yeah, I don't feel any super tight feeling anyway, which is really not a good sign if you use a cleanser. So we'll go to the next step. This is the one-step original clear pad. Wipe out excess oil and keeps the complexion clear, refined, and well balanced. It actually has 80% of willow bark, and it says, and it's actually the thing that's, oh, there are 2. Wait. There are 2 pads here, so I'm just gonna use one. So the willow bark extract that is in here is actually for clearing out the skin. So it has 2 textures, guys, a pad. There's that part where it's textured and the other side is a bit smoother. So the textured part is what you're gonna use first, because it's gonna sweep away the impurities and dead skin. Before I wipe out my skin with this, I forgot to show you the present, like really zoom in my face. So here's a present condition. So far, I got pretty new pimples here, and in this area, and also this big one, and also on my brows. So I recently have 2 pimples, both on my cheek, and those are big ones, and it's really giving me marks there. So my poor skin. So let me just You know what? I don't feel anything at all, no sensation. It's so gentle. And it's almost like I'm putting on water on my face. I mean, just wiping off my face with cotton with water. It does have like an alcoholic kind of smell, which is normal for a toner. And yeah, it does smell pleasant, so I like it. We have here the next step. It's the Holy Moly Snail Mask. It says helps to lock in moisture and supply a layer of nourishing formula featuring snail mucin. Ooh, I did not expect the sheet mask to be like peachy color. Oh, it's dripping. I thought it's gonna be a white mask. The sheet mask itself, guys, it's pretty much thicker than what I usually put on my face. So let me just put it. Okay guys, so this is it for the first time in a mask. It's got a huge hole. Oh my god. I think something just went in my eye. The thing that I noticed about this one, guys, it has like a bigger hole for the mouth and also for the eyes, which is like a miracle to me. Usually it's just small. So that's pretty good. So it's already been 15 minutes, guys. You may extend this for 20 minutes, but I decided to just keep it 15 minutes. Okay, so I'm just gonna let this dry a little bit. Okay, so this is the snail mucin that is in the mask, and it is runny. Good news, it's not sticky. Yay! I know already if a product would be sticky or not, so this one is a good sign. So guys, this is only the part 1 of the video, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning, sunshine. Woo! I do hope you guys are having a good morning or good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you're watching this video. So it is now the judging time. What do you think, guys? I do think my face, first, it's not super oily, as you can see. I did not have any other skincare on after that. It was just a clear kit from last night, and yeah, it's not super oily. I usually have really oily skin over here, like you can really shine through, and when I scrape it off, it's really just oily. So the pimple over this area is actually reducing in size. The pimple right here actually is just the same, but it looked a bit more mature now, like really going on a healing stage. So yeah, because it's already there, the pimple, where the clear kit really says there, I've read in the internet, it is to prevent, and it's like an aftercare clear kit as well. The good news, guys, is I don't have a new pimple, no new pimple. So far, I couldn't say anything bad with the clear kit. So if you wanna try it out as a mask, I mean, it is like around $7, so it's not super cheap as well. But if you are someone who spends that amount of money for a sheet mask, then you could definitely buy that clear kit to switch it up with your probably hydrating sheet mask, and you know, those nights, those days where you feel like you have breakout on your skin. I'm gonna give this clear kit a 9 out of 10 just because I can't really think of any negative thing with the clear kit, and I did not have any negative reactions on my face. It's just really gentle on the face, which is good. That completes this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. For, you know, you're looking for an approval to, you're really thinking if you need to buy this or if it's really gonna be worth a try and not too bad or something. So thank you so much. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.